Hi guys, my name's MJ. Welcome to Ver2 Toys channel. Okay, new drop from MiniGT. Yes, right in front of you, another new set of transporter. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Not unboxing. I've already done an unboxing. Okay, so this round I want to run through all these other stuff that arrived together with it. Just one new release, okay, the transporter set, and a whole lot of MIJO exclusive stuff, okay, right at the back, which I will get to. And so first things first, I've already done, you can see it's already out of the box, right? Okay, because I already done a live unboxing video over at Collectors Cube TikTok. Okay, do give them a follow there. I do have a couple of extras of these. They're available through Collectors Cube as well. They do ship international, so look them up. Okay, Facebook, Instagram, and they do have their own website as well. Okay, and so without further ado, let's get straight to it. So as far as I recall, this would be the third transporter set. However, this would be the first set that comes with two cars. Okay, the Corvette Racing C8.R racing transporter set. Okay, this is actually very nice. Second transporter that comes with the Western Star cab. Okay, the lorry. Packaging wise, pretty straightforward. They just updated the product photos. Okay, it's still the similar trailer carrier that they have done before. Okay, Corvette Racing on the back, on the side, and then we have this on the top. So this will be MiniGT number 672, the GTD Pro winner, and then 673, which will be the AM winner. Yeah, 672 is the 2022 car, and then the AM winner will be 2023, and the Western Star Racing Transporter for the Corvette Racing team. Okay, number 674. Right. So this is not, I would say, yeah, none of these are actually new casting. They are already out before this. So I already have it out in the diorama. So the two cars, main difference would be car number 3 and number 4. So 1 year gap. However, not much difference. Okay, main difference would be the decals. Okay, that would be the main difference. Not much else. Even though it's a car from a different year, so I'm gonna hold it up and show you guys the two cars. Hang on. In the meantime, right, help me to hit the like button, because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Cool. Okay, so number 3 is car number 3 would be from year 2022. Okay, the MiniGT number 672. Okay, it's car number 3. Okay, the rims are still the same. Yeah, mainly decal. The car details are pretty much similar, and these, as far as oh no, sorry, I forgot to silence my phone. Hang on, let me just silence my phone for a short while. Okay, I'll get to you guys. I'll come back to you guys right now. So this will be number 3 and number 33. Okay, the MiniGT has done this casting before. I need to check. Okay, I'm gonna make a guess. If I'm not mistaken, there were 2 yellow color ones, and then there was the gray color ones. So in total 4, and then now this will be number 5 and number 6. The yellow racing variant, I think there was 2, because I did not really strictly follow this casting. Even though it's a very nice casting, I didn't really follow it very closely, because it hasn't been out for quite some time already, and I'm a little bit more of, as long as I know I have it in the back, I'm fine. I can sleep at night. Okay, so pretty much similar. This is actually a very, very nice casting. Okay, look at the shape of this thing. Right. Okay, the transporter wise, I've shown you guys before with the Sylvia. That was the first transporter set, and then the Shelby version. Okay, the Ford Shelby Mustang, that was the other one. So this mechanism is in that string mechanism. Okay, you guys have seen before already. Just gonna tilt it a little bit. Okay, which I've shown you guys before. I'll try to link it up in the description below as well, so you can see that we can actually adjust this what do I call it, carrier, right, up and down. Okay, because it's 2 layer. Okay, you can slot in the top. Okay, you can park the car through the top or the bottom. Right. So this mechanism, it is actually it's a very good mechanism actually. It goes all the way up and down, and you can close it very nicely. And so so far, right, it's quite a wonder that these strings, they don't really, they know how to fold themselves inward, not just outward. Okay, that's one thing. And the other thing would be this guy, this whole thing, right, you just got to be careful with it because it goes all the way out and leaves the trailer. So good and bad. Okay, there's nothing that stops it from completely coming off the groove. Okay, let me just, there we go. Nice, that's how it works. Very realistic actually, honestly speaking, very realistic. Okay, I'm just gonna open it back up because I want to park the car up there, and obviously I'm using a diorama that's way too small for this trailer. Okay, it's on loan and it's actually available for sale. Okay, you can get it through Collector's Cube. And sorry about the messy table, I need to use the full table. And do look out for Mini Scale Festival. Okay, that's what this poster is. Alright, do look out for that. I wanted to show you the Western Star cab, the truck. Okay, it has the front wheels are steerable. Okay, you can steer the front wheels. Just zoom in a bit. There we go. You can steer left and right. So die-cast body. Okay, metal body, and the chrome parts are all in plastic. All right, chrome parts are in plastic. The back portion here, the black portion, the base is in plastic as well. However, because the head is all in die-cast, right, so it's still quite heavy. Okay, and then the trailer, actually quite nice in this shot, right? So the trailer has a little bit of design as well. The decals are all done very nicely. On this side, the right side, this silhouette of the C8.R, right, is in yellow. Okay, if we go to the other side, you can see that it's in grey. Okay, you can see that it's in grey. Okay, so quite nice that they have done it that way. Cool. Right. Okay, so that's the new arrival. Okay, that's a new release from MiniGT. Okay, and we'll go to the MIJO exclusive stuff. So these I'm not gonna take it out of the box because I've already done a run through with my Ver2Toys MiniGT drop episodes. So quite a few of them here, and basically all of them are already out. But for the first time, what we will be seeing, right, will be the chase versions. Okay, which I'll get to in a short while. So this will be MiniGT number 618. The main difference will be the artwork. Okay, I believe I'm gonna make a guess that this is actually artist impression, not a real photo of the car. Okay, because I don't think the light will have this kind of effect, the real car. Okay, this does look a little bit more like artist impression. Right, this is number 618, and then the chase version, okay, for the 618. All right, looks like the difference will be the interior and the rims. Okay, everything else, the decals, everything is similar. All right, this is number 618, and I want to show you the Tommykaira midnight purple. Okay, yeah, see this, because I'm not keeping it, so that's why there's a price tag. Yeah, this one will be up for sale. The Tommykaira midnight purple. Okay, and the chase version, because the chase version is not for sale, hence no price tag. Number 616. All right. MIJO exclusive. Okay, raw body, really very raw. Okay, you can see the rough surface actually. All right, it's not really very smooth. It does have that Tommykaira decal on it. All right, with the gold rims. All right, so I do have chase for these two cars, not for the rest. The other one I want to show you would be the Max Verstappen version. Again, this one is yeah, don't think I'll keep it. All right, so the biggest difference would be, yes, it has this picture of Max. Okay, with the Oracle Red Bull Racing car number 1. Alright, number 550, that's Max Verstappen, and then there will be Sergio Pérez. Okay, so this one comes with a figure. Looking at it again, right, I'll probably remove the price tag later. I think I need to keep at least one, right, because this one, even though it's the same thing, the normal international box, right, basically the figure is just in a Ziploc bag. Okay, in my previous episodes you would have seen me unboxing this, and yeah, I think this one looks better with the Sergio Pérez photo there. Okay, MiniGT number 551, and then probably I'll just show you guys the rest. Porsche 911 GT3 guards red number 662. This has arrived. I don't have the chase for this. And then the other Porsche as well. I've told a story a little bit about this guy. New name, but not exactly a new casting. Porsche 901 1963 in Ivory. MiniGT number 642. So the other one that's come out is actually in green, and that is actually a Porsche 911 1964. So same but not the same. Okay, then the Audi wagon. Okay, the ABT Audi RS6-R Navarra blue metallic. This is actually quite a crazy car. If I recall correctly, 0 to 60, 0 to 120 kmh, okay, in less than 10 seconds. That's really crazy. Okay, Lamborghini Aventador GT Evo silhouette, LB silhouette works in yellow. Okay, this is arrived as well. And then the STO. Okay, this is actually another nice casting. Variant number 4. Okay, which I've already showed you guys already. Yeah, I should focus more on the artwork, right? Yeah, the artwork would be new to us, not the car. Cool. Alright, so yep, massive MiniGT arrivals with the very nice transporter set. Do you guys collect the transporter set? Let me know. Okay, so help me to hit the like button, because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Sorry about the phone there. Yes, you can see the time. What else? Help me to hit the like button, okay? And then yep, I do have, these are available for sale apart from the chase. The chase I believe I'm gonna keep. Max Verstappen, Sergio Pérez, I believe I'm gonna keep as well, but I do have extras of them available through Collector's Cube. Cool. All right, and quick reminder again, 2nd March mini scale festival. Okay, do come drop by, follow Cube for more event announcements and details. There will be, this event actually will focus more on miniatures, car culture miniatures, Dharma figure accessories. That will be the main focus. There will be a couple of diecast sellers as well. So anything miniature car culture, come. Okay, definitely worth your time. What else? Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so that don't miss out any of my other diecast videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.